Here's Sisaloo, showing you how well she can swim. She is doing really well. Hi, fishy. Okay, do a little swim. Go over there, maybe. Do one more. Swim action. Go, sissy cat. Okay, come back. Good job. Now swim out there a little bit and come back. See how great she's doing? You are awesome. Goodbye. Hey, you're still here. Goodbye. Hey. Goodbye. Goodbye, swimmer queen. Goodbye. Okay, you need to jump away though from the step. Here. Okay, you have to go straight out. Okay. Straight out. 1, 2, 3, go. Good girl. Awesome. Okay. Love ya.